Repelling squirrels with peppermint oil. Squirrels can be amusing to watch when they're in your yard, but can cause quite a bit of damage if they make their way into attics, crawl spaces and walls within your home. If you want to repel squirrels from getting into a certain area of your home or get rid of squirrels that are already there, a little bit of peppermint oil can often do the trick. Things you will need: peppermint oil, cotton balls. Soak cotton balls in peppermint oil, allowing each ball to become saturated with liquid. Place the cotton balls in the corners of attics, wall openings, garages, or anywhere you need to repel squirrels. Check on the cotton balls every few weeks to make sure they still have a peppermint odor. When the odor fades, discard the old ball and soak another cotton ball in peppermint oil to replace it. Tips: warnings. Dilute peppermint oil with water 10-15 drops per cup of water to create a spray you can put on the bases of trees and shrubs to repel squirrels.